Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pardot, Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, Scoring for Sales, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Pardot Scoring for Sales, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Pardot dashboard within your Marketing Cloud interface. Locate the Admin tab in the main menu. Select Scoring from the drop-down options. Review the scoring model settings currently in place. To enable scoring, ensure the toggle is set to on. Next, define your scoring rules based on your lead engagement criteria. Click on Add New Rule to create a custom scoring parameter. Input the criteria that aligns with your sales goals, like form submissions or email opens. Assign a score value to each action that reflects its importance to your sales process. Once all rules are set, click Save to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Page Actions section within Pardot. Here, you can set specific actions that will trigger score adjustments. After customizing page actions, confirm they are aligned with your overall engagement strategy. Review the scoring summary for an overview of how leads will be scored. Make any necessary adjustments based on your review. Finally, test the scoring model by checking a sample leads activity. Keep monitoring the scoring metrics regularly for continuous optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.